I'm Angie. I'm an occupational therapist with Fidelity Healthcare. I've worked for Fidelity for a little over 8 years. Working in home care, working with individuals in their home is the core of occupational therapy. We help people return to their daily lives, their daily lifestyles. Being in their home and their home environment allows me to take a more personal approach to them recovering and seeing firsthand what they struggle with and the difficulties that they're having. If the blind man wants to be able to make his own lunch in his microwave, then we adapt his microwave with buttons that he can feel so that he can do that for himself. Fidelity tries to go the extra mile for our clients. We try to use each other for resources to provide the best care possible. We're always supported by our management. There's always multiple opportunities given to us for continuing education to keep us on top of our commitment to doing the best practices. Every client I see has their own needs. Myself and the team I work with at Fidelity are always committed to individualizing our programs to meet their needs and meet their desires. We're committing to making their lives better.